gaming PC. This thing is fast, compact. It's got 512GB NVMe drive, 16GB RAM. It even has 4K resolution output. This thing is a gaming beast. That looks so good. You got the silent mode, the auto mode, and the performance mode. You got your dual channel DDR RAM and dual SSD slot. Sweet. This one's got the Ryzen 5 CPU and the AMD Radeon graphics GPU. So small. This is the entire gaming PC. Wow, this is legit awesome. Look at that power button right there. This is such a nice, small, compact computer. You got everything right here. You got the power button, the 3.5mm audio, 2 USB, and a USB Type-C. On this side, 2 more USB. You got a display port and HDMI. This thing supports 4K resolution. You got the 1GB LAN port right there, and you got the power adapter. This thing is so small, yet it's got the Ryzen 5 5600U CPU with the AMD graphics card. This thing is a serious gaming PC. We're talking about a 16GB memory. You have 512GB SSD right here. You also have the Ryzen 5 5600 CPU that goes up to 4.2 GHz. You got the AMD Radeon graphics card built in. You have HDMI output. You got DisplayPort output. You got 1GB LAN. You have 4K resolution capability. You have 2 USB-A's right here. You got another 2 USB-A's right here. You got a USB Type-C. You got 3.5mm audio jack. You got everything you could ever ask for in the game PC. And look right here. So easy to select the dial. You got your silent mode, your auto mode, and your performance. You just switch the dial right here to change the noise level this thing is capable of. This is the entire gaming PC in the palm of my hand. It's lightweight too. It's not even heavy. This is so cute and tiny. HDMI to HDMI. So they give you an HDMI to HDMI cable. Nice. This is the AC adapter. Simple, easy AC adapter. This one plugs into a wall, and this other end plugs into our computer. Simple, easy. There's the power AC adapter. We got the power plug right here. We connect this thing together right here, and then we got this to plug into the wall. We got to plug this into the back of the gaming PC right here, and then we're connected to the HDMI output. This is the gaming computer right here. It's that small. We got my keyboard, my mouse, some USB cables. Power up the monitor. The innocence is on. We're gonna plug in my mouse. That's the whole computer. You got the DC right here. You got the DC adapter. This is the whole computer. This is the Ace Magician AMR5. This little computer is the whole mini gaming PC. It's so small. It's got Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. It's got everything in this little computer. I'm gonna connect my USB mouse to it right here. We're setting up our gaming PC. This is a mini gaming PC with a 4K HDMI output, and this is a 40-inch ultra-wide monitor right here. The HDMI cable is in. Okay, monitor is on. This is the AMRS gaming PC. Power on right now. Whoa, look at those lights. It's quiet. It's on auto mode right now. Oh, look at that RGB right there with the Ace lightning, the Ace color. We're booting up right now. Windows is loading. This is the tiny computer that's powering this whole system right here. It's connecting. This is the whole gaming PC. We're logged in already. Dude, it's already connected to Windows. We're at the home screen. Beautiful display. 40-inch ultra-wide monitor powered by that tiny little computer. Connecting to my 5G wireless network right now. We're gonna download UniG Heavy right here. Free download, 247 megabyte. Dude, it's downloading so fast. 247 megabyte. It's done in 7 seconds. It's done. Let's run it. UniG Heaven. It's loading. This benchmark right here is gonna push the limit of this AMRS gaming machine. There we go, guys. Wow. This is a gaming PC that's pushing. This is running at like crazy ultra wide resolution. So it does look like it's dropping some frames, but you can lower the resolution and it will be buttery smooth. We are pushing this computer to the limits right now. This is an ultra wide monitor, 40-inch wide monitor. It's crazy resolution, and this tiny gaming PC is pushing this machine like no other. We have the Ryzen 5600U CPU in this thing that has the AMD graphics card built in. This thing has 16GB of DDR4 RAM. This thing has 512GB of NVMe drive. You got gigabit Ethernet. It's playing some audio right now. You can even hear it. It's got graphics. It's got sound. It looks beautiful for what it is. This is crazy. I can't believe there's so much performance in this tiny computer. This is the computer right now. This tiny little computer is powering this whole machine. This is the AMRS gaming machine. This is a gaming PC the size of my palm right here. This thing runs cool. If you want to, you can also change the fan profile, but this thing is loaded. This thing's got the Ryzen 5 5600U CPU with the built-in AMD graphics card. This thing is capable of 4K display. This is the crazy compact mini gaming PC capable of delivering amazing quality graphics, gameplay in the palm of your hand. This is the Ace Magician AMR5 gaming PC right here. Oh yeah.